Hey guys, Prep Up Forward here. Got back, show you a little bit about air conditioning and refrigeration. My refrigerator broke. We got to fix it. This is my garage fridge, so the sawdust and all that stuff. Yeah, so I went and I bought me a refrigerator repair kit. It's pretty important. Tell what that is, but here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, now it looks like it's starting to work a little bit. That's better. Got to have the refrigerator repair kit. Very, very, very important. Refrigerator does not work without the appropriate repair kit. Could save your life someday. Actually, it probably will save your life someday. Now, you can't say I never taught you nothing. Yes, sir. This is how you fix a refrigerator, prep it forward style. Yummy. That is getting her done. Guess we'll have to start working. Ooh. Drop some of my refrigeration repair kit. Never a good thing. Guess we'll have to drink this one. Just isn't going to fit. That's how you fix a refrigerator. Any questions? All right.